cool sound of high-performance race cars waking you up. Here we are, guys, camping inside the Daytona International Speedway infield camping for the week. Today is Thursday, February 14th. We have 2 races happening tonight, so they dried the track. They're actually just doing some practicing right now. They got about 6 cars out here, just kind of getting used to it, preparing for the big race on Sunday. And tonight there's 2 heats away of races after dark. So Angela is down in the RV getting ready. We're going to go over to the fan zone over there, look at the garages and some behind the scenes stuff later on. But until then, we're just going to chill out today and wait for the first official big race of the Speed Weeks to happen. So hope you enjoy coming along with me, guys. Well, I was wrong about fan zone. It doesn't open up till 1, so, and they stopped the practice, and now it's all quiet. Sunscreen in February. One of the things I really like and that we kind of lucked out is that, like I said, these spaces didn't fill up. So, I mean, we have kind of an open area, right, to view until Saturday. Saturday hits, this will all probably fill up, but you can imagine as I step over here, there should be an RV right here that's 12 feet high that's totally blocking our view, and I guess I'm just kind of enjoying that. There are a lot of places to watch the races and view things from, but no, it's really working well. Also, my RV, I got my new 2020 tabs. Those came in South Dakota. I paid for them, and they went to my box there, and then I had them shipped back down here. Angela grabbed them for me. Stickers on. That was quite easy. $173 annually to renew old Yoda with personalized plates. So that process was a lot easier than I was expecting it to be. I literally didn't even have to go to South Dakota to renew Yoda. So that worked out well. But all right, here soon we're gonna walk around the track and look at some fine stuff on this sunny day here. Well, we're heading now. These guys might know how to do it. Check this out, a pool. They got a sauna over here. I like it, guys. That's awesome, man. Have a good day. It's awesome. You can bring 14 by 14 inch coolers, so we got some Bud Light barley pops in there. Angela's got her Miller Lite. Ooh, I mean, awesome, I like it. These are some of the more primo spots here along Lloyd Lake here, and no, Daytona has made some changes. There used to be a bunch of grandstands out here by the back stretch, but they pulled those down, and I guess they're doing something different back there. A little different than last time I was here. Nice day though. For the rest of the next 3-4 days, I think it's gonna be 70s, maybe even upper 70s through Sunday, so really lucked out. All right, don't know if I talked about it much, but the fan zone, which is the other wristband that I'm wearing, that's the one where we can go the backstage, and you got to get those in advance because they do sell out of the all-week ones. So the 14th to the 17th, you can buy all 4 days and then come and go as you want. You can only bring 6 beers in at a time though, so... And they have some pre-race stuff going on Sunday, a concert or something, so we'll see. Gotta find a magnet, Daytona magnet in the store here. Lots of merchandise. Ooh, lots of hats too. Ooh, lots of options, but they have the limited edition 753 of 2019. Ooh. Okay, that's their magnet. Kind of 3D. $6. Okay. There's a big screen there. You can sit here and watch the races and the instant replays. There's the stage over there. Lots going on. I mean, it's all about the experience here. It's not just the races. Tonight and tomorrow night are all night races, so it'll be interesting to see the track all lit up. But in the daytime, there's lots of stuff to do. So crack open a beer and we'll go look at some of the garages. Boogity, boogity. Yeah, buddy. It's a really bright orange. 1979. The Fight. Uh-huh. Can peek into the garages here and see some cars. There we go. Number 4. There's Harvick's car. Busch beer today. Okay, cool. We can get a better look. Yeah, you can kind of get a better look over here. Woohoo! Go Harvick! And then up here on this top balcony, you got a really good view. You got all the trucks for the cars over here, and apparently Harvick is a sellout because no TV screen there, just a banner of him. But on the other side, you can stand over there, watch the race, and then you can look at the screen on the other side to watch the replays. Yeah. I'm about to meet Kenny Wallace. He's signing autographs. Yeah.
Okay, good to see you.
Hey, Kenny
Thank
Wallace,
you.
I'm Eric.
Hey, Eric.
Fanatic on YouTube.
Very good.
You can sign right here.
Oh yeah, baby. Bud Light.
Really...
You know I'm gonna sign a Bud Light bag. That's the way I do it.
I love it. Awesome. Thanks, bud.
Thank you,
Can I
buddy.
get a picture with you?
Yeah.
Daytona 500. How would you like your picture taken?
Get our picture, guys. That was pretty cool. They're doing some practice for the truck series out here. It might get loud. That's a little loud. Yeah, we saw the rain the whole first day. Pouring rain. Yeah, too soon. Too soon. Alrighty, the sun is about to set. We're gonna head back to the RV, check in on Jax, make sure he's okay. We need to fill up because our beer bags are empty. And then maybe we'll catch part of one of the 2 races tonight from the fan zone, or see what it's like from the RV. She doesn't talk. She doesn't. Alright, let's go check in on Jax, make sure Jax man's okay. Wait, what the heck? That's 20.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Where's the Bud Light? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Is there a note? There's no note. What the?
Mine. It's all mine.
Thank you, whoever you are, mystery person. Jax man! Catman Jax! And he flops. Billy, thanks. How you doing, buddy? Missed you. Oh, I know. Wanna get some fresh air? Wanna come outside? You wanna come outside? Why don't you come outside? There you go. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm sorry about the noise. It's loud, I know. Unfortunately, the megaphone system here is pretty much pointless because there's so many of them that you can't actually hear what they're saying. You just hear. But yeah. It's Valentine's Day, live here as I'm filming this right now. So Angela and I just celebrated Valentine's Day and exchanged some gifts, and that was a lot of fun. I mean, yeah, it's really nice spending Valentine's Day with somebody else besides Jax. I love that kitty cat, but you know. So we're gonna have dinner, and then we're gonna head back over to the fan zone and watch one of the 2 races tonight. May watch something from the roof and just see how that works out too, but we'll see. It has chilled down quite a bit, but the first race of the night is underway. And, oh man, they're going fast, guys, and it is loud. Harvick's in 5th. Wait, I don't think I can talk about that. Harvick's in the race. I can't talk about NASCAR specifics, so yeah. So we're on our first caution of the night at lap 27 of 100 of this little duel. But one of the things about being on the roof of your RV in the infield is you don't really know what's going on without a radio. There was no wrecks nearby, so I don't know why we're under caution. But that's why some people bring a TV or a little radio with headphones to tune in, or run back down and catch it on Fox real quick to kind of see what's going on. I'm not sure, but right now Harvick is doing really well. I'll just say that. Like, the best you can do right now in this race. A lot of race to go, though. All right, the first duel of the night is done. Harvick did well. What can I say? I like winners. There's one more duel tonight, so we've experienced NASCAR from the roof, and it was cool. We're gonna go back over to Fan Zone and check out the replays on the big screen for race number 2, Heat Wave number 2 tonight. Cool. We snuck over to the turn 1 backstretch here. Here we are. Took a little bit to get here. 30 laps to go. We're going to head up to the fan deck and watch it from up there. Going to be nice to see those replays. By the way, Austin Dillon, winner of last year's Daytona 500, autographed my, I don't know if you can see it up there, but I got 3 autographs up there. Austin Dillon is one of them.
What are they fixing up here?
Working on some cars. That was the Harvick cheer, right? Watch the front stretch and then turn around and see all the replays and the positioning of all the drivers right now. 16 laps to go. Well, this race is over. The only reason Harvick didn't win is because he didn't race in this one. We'll see what happens Sunday. This is fun though. I like this view up here at Fan Zone. So yeah, lots to see here at Daytona 500. This is new for me though. It's Valentine's Day and I have company, so if y'all don't mind, I'd like to spend the next evening with Angela. And some people have asked if she has a channel. I will link that in the video description below. Her channel, she only uploads like once a week or once every 2 weeks, but I love her. And I'm really excited about our future together. And I hope you all had a great Valentine's Day. And I will upload a few more. We'll share some more of the Daytona experience here this week, leading up to the Daytona 500. So, have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.